Hello, children. How are you all? Good morning. You had your breakfast? Yes? Okay. So, children, do you know what are we going to learn today? Do you know? Okay. So, I will let you know that what all are the things we are going to learn today. Today, we are going to learn about phonics song. Okay. So, we'll learn phonic song, phonic sound, okay, and have lot of surprise for you. You all want to see the surprise? Okay, so let's see what I have. This is letter A. So this is uppercase A and this is lowercase A. Yes, uppercase A and lowercase A. And A is for I have apple. A is for apple. Yes. And what is the sound of letter A? What is the phonic sound for letter A? It's A. A. Yes. Now you all want to sing the song? Phonic song? Yes. Okay. Repeat it with me, okay? Ants on the apple, ants on the apple, ants on the apple, is the sound of A. So what is the sound for letter A? Is A. A. Yes. Now, what is the next letter? What comes after A? It's B. Yes. So this is uppercase B and this is lowercase b. Yes. And what I have for letter B? I have ball. Ball. Yes. And what is the sound for letter B is? It's B. B. Yes. Now we'll sing phonic song for letter B. Yes. Balls are bouncing, ba ba ba. Balls are bouncing, ba ba ba. Balls are bouncing, ba ba ba. Ba is the sound of B. So what is the sound for letter B is ba. Yes. Now let's see what I have next. That is letter C. This is uppercase C and this is lowercase c, right? And C is for, you all want to know what I have? Your favorite thing I have. And that is cake. See, I have yummy, yummy cake. You all like cake? Yes? Okay. So C is for cake. Yes? Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the sound of letter C? It's K. K. Yes. And now we'll listen the song for letter C. That is caterpillar scarfing k k k. Caterpillar scarfing k k k. Caterpillar scarfing k k k. K is the sound of C. So what is the sound for letter C? That is K. Yes. And what comes after C? That is letter D. This is uppercase D and this is lowercase d, right? Uppercase D and lowercase d. And what I have for letter D? It's drum. Yes, drum. D is for drum, right? And what is the sound for letter B is? That is D. D. Yes. Now you all want to know the song also? Yes? Okay. So, dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Da is a sound for D. So, what is the sound for letter D? That is D. Yes. Now, what I have next? I have letter E. Yes. This is uppercase E and this is lowercase e, right? Uppercase E and lowercase e. And E is for what I have? You all want to see? Yes. E is for I have elephant. See? Elephant. Yes. And what is the sound of letter D? Can you tell me? What is the sound for letter D? E? Yes? The sound for letter E is E. E. Yes. So what is the difference between A and E? For A, for letter A sound, we have to open big mouth. That is A. A. And for letter E, we have to open small mouth. That is E. E. Yes. And what is the phonic song for letter E? That is elegant elephant. E, e, e. Elegant elephant. E, e, e. Elegant elephant. E, e, e. E is the sound of letter E. Okay. And what comes after E? That is letter F. Yes. So this is uppercase F and this is lowercase f, right? Uppercase F and lowercase f. And what I have for letter F? Let me see. Let me see what I have. And I have fan. See, I have fan, right? Yes. And what does F sound? F sound is yes. What does F sound? And for letter F, I have a phonic song that is five flamingos, five flamingos, five flamingos is the sound of F. So what is the sound of letter F? That is yes. Very good. Now I have letter G. What is this? Letter G. This is uppercase G and this is lowercase g, right? And G is for I have what I have? G is for grapes. G is for grapes. Yes. And what does G sound? G sound is G. G. Yes. And what is the phonic song for letter G is? Goats are giggling, g, g, g. Goats are giggling, g, g, g. Goats are giggling, g, g, g. G is the sound of letter G. Yes. And what comes after G? That is, what comes after G? Will you tell me? Letter H. Yes. And this is uppercase H and this is lowercase h, right? Uppercase H and lowercase h. And H is for I have. You all want to see what I have for letter H? Okay, I have hat. Can you see hat on my head? Yes. So H is for hat. And what is the sound for letter H? It's everyone do like this? Yes. So now we'll sing the phonic song for letter H, right? Helicopters hovering, helicopters hovering, helicopters hovering is the sound of H. So what is the sound for letter H? That is yes. Now I have letter I. So this is letter I. Uppercase I and lowercase I. This is uppercase I and lowercase I, right? And what I have for letter I? You all want to see? Yes? Okay. So that is, I have flag of India. So this is flag of India. Yes? What is this? Flag of India. Yes, I is for India. Right? And what is the sound of letter I? So the sound of letter I is I. I. Yes. And you all want to sing the song for letter I also? Okay. Show me your hand like this. Insects itching, I. Insects itching, I. Insects itching, I. I is the sound of letter I. Yes. So what is the sound for letter I? That is I. I. Yes. And what I have next? Next letter which I have, that is J. This is uppercase J and this is lowercase j. Right? Uppercase J and lowercase j. And J is for I have. You all are excited to see what I have for J letter? J is for jug. J is for jug. Yes. And what does the J sound? J sound J. J. Yes. J is for J. And you all want to know the phonic song also? Yes. Jelly beans jumping J, J, J. Jelly beans jumping J, J, J. Jelly beans jumping J, J, J. J is the sound of it's J. Yes. So now I have letter K. It's K. What is this? This is uppercase K. And this is lowercase k. This one is uppercase K and this one is lowercase k. And K is for I have. What I have for letter K? It's kiwi. K is for kiwi. Right? K is for kiwi. You all like the kiwi? Okay. And what does the K sound? The K sound is K. What is the K sound? K. Yes. And now we'll sing phonic song for letter K. That is King kick the kettle. K, k, k. King kick the kettle. K, k, k. King kick the kettle. K, k, k. K is the sound of K. So what is the sound for letter K is? K. Yes. Now I have next letter, which is letter L. Yes. This is letter L. Uppercase L and lowercase L. This is uppercase L and lowercase L. Now what I have for letter L? I have lamb. I have lamb. Yes, this is lamb. And what does the L sound? L sound L. L. Yes. You all want to sing for L letter also? Okay, we'll sing. Lion licks the lollipop. L, L, L. Lion licks the lollipop. L, L, L. Lion licks the lollipop. L, L, L. Sound of L. So what is the sound for letter L? Is L. L. Yes. Children, you understood? What is the